front of me is Motorola Edge 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. All you need to do is go into Settings and scroll to tap on Personalize, available here. Then select Themes section and tap on any of those in order to apply it. So when I do that and go back, I can see that theme of my Motorola has changed. If you wish, you can also use this plus at the top right corner and create your own theme. Label it at the top, pick a wallpaper, font style, color theme, icon shape, and hit save. After a few seconds, it will be automatically applied. If you want to make any changes to your custom theme, use this pen. Make those changes and hit save. In order to delete your theme, you can tap on any other one and then use this pin at the top right corner of a custom one to get rid of it. To go back to your default theme, just click on Default at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!